everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail has been hacked or you are logged out, don't panic. Here's how to secure your account step by step right from your phone. So let's get into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After connecting your Wi-Fi to your device, simply open your Gmail application. After opening your Gmail application, you'll simply touch on your profile. After clicking on your profile, select your account, which account has been hacked, and simply click on manage your Google account. After clicking on your manage your Google account, you will go to this page, and after going to this page, you will see the option called security and sign in. Simply click on it, and you will see the option called password. Click on it. After clicking it, you will take some time and simply change your password as soon as possible, or you can check review security activity. People who have logged into your devices log into your account, and then you can simply put your recover phone and recover email verification by going on to step verification. After going here, simply put your mobile number and Gmail app, your recovery email, and that's how you recover and secure your hacked Gmail account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay safe online. See you in the next one.